This little bottle has single-handedly stopped my hair loss. For the past month, my hair had been falling out like crazy. Why, you ask? Well, I got COVID in October, and I know that can make you lose your hair. I have Lyme disease, which also causes a bunch of imbalances and deficiencies, and it needed to stop. Regardless of what the reason was, my hair needed to stop falling out. I had experienced hair loss before. Because of that, my hair was already much thinner than it is naturally, which freaked me out even more because your girl cannot go bald. I could rock it. But the first time I lost my hair, my main strategy to get my hair back was oiling my hair. But the problem was, every time I oiled my hair, I lose so much hair that in the moment I was like, this is not worth it. This is not worth it. I did rosemary water, but not super consistently, so I had not 100% experienced the magic of rosemary water. And I knew this was my last chance because nothing was working. And oh my goodness, this saved my hair, let me tell you. Every single time I touched my head, hair was just shedding. Every time. I started making rosemary water and spraying it onto my scalp every morning and every night before I went to bed. And whenever I would style my curls or wanted a little bit extra protection or moisture, I would just kind of cover the rest of my hair. It only took about 2 weeks before I really noticed the shedding had stopped. Not only that, but there has been so many new little hairs regrowing. Like, do you see that? The hair near my scalp feels so much thicker. I can tell that there's just a bunch of new growth. There's literally no product in my hair except for rosemary water. No gel, nothing. Make sure you're spraying it every day and keep track of when you're running low so that you can make yourself another batch and there's no gap in between. Get on it. Let's stay consistent together and see how our hair looks in a couple months.